Hi everyone, welcome to the Bolt and the Byte, your weekly robotics news roundup from roboticsnewsai.com. I'm Ajlam, and here are the top robotics stories shaping our future this week. YOUiBOT gears up for IPO. China's robotics boom is shifting gears. YOUiBOT, one of the country's top industrial robot makers, is preparing for an IPO. The company's mobile robots already serve over 300 factories, and this public offering signals how serious China is about leading the next wave of intelligent automation. Our second story, Energy Robotics secures $13.5 million. Germany's Energy Robotics just raised $13.5 million to expand its fleet of autonomous inspection robots. These bots can patrol oil fields, refineries, and power plants, saving humans from dangerous tasks and keeping operations smooth 24/7. Again, our third story, Zimmer Biomet acquires Monogram Orthopedics. In the medical robotics world, Zimmer Biomet has officially acquired Monogram. This move could redefine robot-assisted surgery, combining Zimmer's global scale with Monogram's precision 3D printing and AI tech. That's all for this week's The Bolt and the Byte. For images, sources, and detailed coverage, visit roboticsnewsai.com. Link is below. If you love robotics and AI, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with fellow tech enthusiasts.